Hi everybody, this is Pema Doma, Executive Director of Students for Free Tibet. And I'm here today in Geneva with the Tibet Advocacy Coalition to speak on behalf of thousands of SFT members from around the world, members from International Tibet Network, the Tibetan Youth Association of Europe, Tibet Justice Center, Tibet Action Institute, and the Tibet Initiative Deutschland. And we were here alongside with Avaaz to deliver a critical petition in which over 300,000 people from around the world showed their support for Tibet and for Tibetan children and families. In our meeting with the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, we were able to disclose all these information from the reports that Tibet Action have published and really paint a crucial picture of what life inside a colonial boarding school for a Tibetan child today looks like. This meeting is not the final end goal. The final end goal will be when every Tibetan children can live freely at home with their families and their parents inside Tibet. Today was the first step in a very long journey, but together we can keep fighting. Pyegyalo, Free Tibet.